Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the color's name. Purple color, pink color, orange color, red color, green color, chocolate color, and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Square, circle, rectangle, triangle, pentagon, and heart. First we're going to draw the shapes. Square, circle, rectangle, triangle, pentagon, heart. Now we're going to put the color. Chocolate color, square. Orange color, circle. Green color, rectangle. Pink color, triangle. Purple color, pentagon. Red color, heart. What we learn? We learn chocolate color, square, orange color, circle, green color, rectangle, pink color, triangle, purple color, pentagon, red color, heart. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.